Assalamu alaikum. Let's move for today demo problem. Um, let's start with screen sharing. This demo problem is course schedule 2 and our algorithm is topological sorting. First I will read the problem statement and then we will further discuss the possible solution. So there are a total of num courses. Num courses is a variable name. Courses you have to take labeled from 0 to num courses minus 1, and you are given an array prerequisites where prerequisites is I is equal to a of I and b of I, indicates that you must take course indicates that you must take course b1 first if you want to take if you want to take course a1. For example, the pair 0 1 indicates that to take course 0 you have to take course 1. So return the ordering of courses you should take to finish all the courses. If there are many valid answers, return any of them. If it is impossible to finish all courses, return an empty array. Then we will move to the example 1 num courses. So let me describe first what the problem statement is about. Here we are given two variables. The first one is uh, num courses. First one is num courses and the second one is pre-squares. Num courses defines how many courses we can pick. For example, if the num courses is equal to 2, we can pick 2 courses. And the prerequisites defines their pattern. For example, if 1 and 0 and 1 and 0, as 1 is first, 1 is at the starting point and 0 is at the last point. So it should be changed. For example, if we have to pick 2 courses, we will rearrange this as 0 will come first and then 1 will come later. If I took a practical life example, if someone is, if I want to clear my matriculation, then first I will start from the first prep and then second class, then third, fourth, fifth. Then I have to move from all these classes first. Then I will enter into the matriculations. So same case here. If the course means if the index is 0, oh sorry, if the elements value is equal to 0, that means I have to clear this 0 first. Then I will move to the next course 1. If I cannot clear 0, I cannot move to the 1. So that's the basically pattern here. Uh, in example 1, we can check in example 1, num course is equal to 2, prerequisites is equal to 1 0, and output is equal to 0 1, because there are total of 2 courses. We could book we pick only 2 courses. So the first value should be 0 and the second one is 1 in the pattern. So similarly with example 2, in example 2, num courses equal to 4 and prerequisites are 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, Oh, sorry. 3 1 3 1 3 2. So that is our prerequisites. For example, I can only pick four values from this example, four courses. I have a limit of four courses because here num courses defines the limits. So first, I will check the elements value. Here I have given 1 and 0. So I will pick 0 first, then I will pick 1. Again, in that the 2 and 0, as 0 is already picked. For example, similar case with the practical of example, if if I have cleared my matriculation, then I don't need to again enter in that same subject to read those same subjects again. I will move further to the pre-engineering, pre-medical, the 11th further courses. If I clear one course, I don't need to again. Uh, if I clear one course, there is no need to get admission in that course again. So the first value is 0, second one is going to 1. And if we check in this interval, 2 is greater than 0. So as 0 is already picked here, so 2 will come in the result. And then the next interval, 3 and 1, 1 is already picked up. So 3, and if we count these indexes, if we count these values indexes, so 0, 1, 2, 3, these are equals to 4. So this is our required output. If we come to the if we come to the example 3, num of courses is equal to 1 and prerequisites is empty set. So that is going to our edge case. For example, if I can pick one, the course limit is 1, and at the same time there is no course offering prerequisites, so I cannot get admission in any of the course. So our output in that case is being resulted as 0. So if I check for the constraints, if I check for the constraints, so a num of courses between 1 to 2000, and prerequisites length should be between 0 to num of the courses. Direct sum of courses minus 1, and prerequisite length is equal to 0 is equal to AI, and BI is equal to the num of courses, and AFI should not be equal to BFI. So similar case that these two courses should not be the same, and all the pairs A1 B1 are distinct. Similar case that we can if we get clear from the one subject, then we do not need to get admission in that again. So if we talk about the topological graphs, for example, in so basically these values are shown in the form of graphs. For example, let me do it first. For example, in that graph, we have to put the 3 value first, as 3 is uh, 3 is showing the angle. For example, here we have given 1, and 1 and 3 is pointing towards 2, and 2 is pointing towards 4. So if 2 is pointing towards 4, so 4 will come first, then 2, and then 1 and 3 is both pointing towards 2. So I can list it in any order, 1 and 3, and similarly 4, 2, 3, and 1. So this is basically the problem statements and some of the examples. If we talk about the code, if we going to talk about the time complexity, so as we have to check, the each value, then compare it again and again. So in my opinion, the time complexity is going to be O, no, O of n, I think so. Time complexity is going to be O of n for this problem. So let's check, not write the code first. This is our edge case. For example, if the courses value is given and prerequisites are not given, so as there are no course offerings, so we are going to select it as 0. We cannot pick any of the course. Similar case made by if we check for the constraints. So as the courses limit, the courses must be between 1 to 2000. So uh, there always one of the courses present. First, we have one edge case, and our output as we cannot duplicate value, so our output should be equal to the set of. Now, what I'm trying to do is I try to merge these intervals, and then I will enter sort command, and I will evaluate the resulting value. Mm, so let me try get my steps. The first step is output, I have described a variable output is equal to set. Then I'm going to merge these prerequisites intervals into one list. I'm searching for if I found any command. I will merge all these values in a list as prerequisites come in the list. So then I will use the sort command. I will sort them, and as I have to my answers, yeah, my output length should be equal to the number of courses, this length. For example, if here is 2, so that means I can put I can get only 2 values in the answers. So first step is I define a variable, then I will merge all intervals and create a single list from them, and then I will sort them, and after sorting I will define our output. Our answer resulting value should be equal to the length of the number of courses. So for example here, so if I'm going to sort this per sort time complexity.